Today we start with another topic on Albert Bandura Social Learning Theory. The social learning theory, developed by Dr. Albert Bandura, proposed that learning can occur simply by observing, imitating, and modeling the actions of others. Ka social learning theory ni ka jingnang jingtem bangiyo na ka imlang sa lang ni ka saurang jongi hak ba u Dr. Albert Bandura ula ong ba ka jingnang jingtem jongi ya ka no ka kam ka la ban long na ka bangi shupeg tu ya kiwe ni na ka jing pertu bod ya ka ba kiwe kile bat ka jing bod nuksa ya ka ba le kiwe. Bandura's ideas on language acquisition. In social learning theory, Bandura, cited by MacLean 2011, stated that behavior is learned from environment through modeling, observation, and vicarious learning. Haka social learning theory, u Bandura uong nakaktin jang u MacLean arajar katwe ba kajinglong kade bangitip na kasaudong jungi kabamut ka imlang salang jungi da kabangipeng ya karukom le ni kren jang kibriu da kababot ya karukom le ni kren jang kiwe ni da kabapek ya kanuksa jang kiwe kumno kile ki kren nilong. He focused on social cognitive principle of learning, which is also applied to the learning of language. Upanlet jing mud ba haka social cognitive principle of learning, kabadai ka jing start kabadai haka liang ki imlang salang, kabala ban panya sarim bar ka jing nang ya kaktiin katali. According to Bandura, 1977, people can learn information and behaviors by watching other people. Uong ro ba kibriu kinang kitem bat kile ro dak bapeg ya kaba kiwe kile. Let us see what is observation learning in language development. Children pay attention to the people they came in contact with and imitate their behavior through observation. In observation, language is acquired through the influence of others who are models. 3 types of observation. Active. When children observe the behavior of others in a real situation, there should be someone who have to act and teach them. Verbal. When children observed and listened to a language spoken. Symbolic observation. When children learn language by observing things in the forms of a movie, books, video, etc. Ka observation learning haka jingnang ya kaktin. Ki kana kisngap ba ya kibriu ki ba kisngaw tanat ba. Kumjo hi haka liang jang ka jingtip ya kaktin kataledu. Ki pek ba ya karukom le ner kom kren jang kibriu. Hadien pan kin sabot ya ka ba ki yoi na ki. Ki don light type ki rukom observation ni rukom pen tho. Number 1. kabanangkong active. Kabamot ba ki kena ki day ban yo I dala ki jong ki kman ya unong kren. Day bandon unong hikay uban hikay yaki ya kaktin ni karukom keno ya ki kentin. Kabaar ka verbal observation. Hakaba ki kena ki yo sngew ya karukom kren ni keno ya ki kentin ni kaktin. Kabalay ka symbolic observation. Hakaba ki kena ki yo I ya karukom kren ni yo sngew ya karukom kren ya kaktin na ki film, ki kon, ki video ni na ki wedi ki lan. Intrinsic reinforcement in language development. Mental states are very important to learning. The best learning only occurs when the learner is fully motivated. Intrinsic reinforcement is an internal reward that comes from inside the learners, like pride, satisfaction, self of accomplishment, etc. Ka intrinsic reinforcement haka jingnang yakaktin ka bor prakat jongi ka day ka way ka benta ka bakong san ba ka bayarap yangi haka liang ka jing la jongi ban pediang ya ka jingnang jing start ka jingnang jing tem kan kiu ba tang lada don ki ba penslur ya ki kena ban le ba shushu. Kani ka intrinsic reinforcement ka bamon ka jing kring ban le ba shushu. Kala ban long na ka jing siu shimen ka ba wan na ka man sem ni ka jing kwa hi dala di ukana. Kum ka jing yaman sem na ki way jing penslur na ki way jing siu sarong haladi jing hun ka man sem jing siu la ban le ba shushu ban ki way di. Number 3. Modeling learning in language acquisition. In language learning, the term modeling refers to a teacher or instructor demonstrating the pronunciation of the words so that the learners hear how it is supposed to sound, then mimic and pronounce the word. Hakru kompuli yakaktin ni jingnang ban kren yakano kaktin ka modeling ka day ka way kaktin ka bangin shamba ka bamod unong hikay ni unong batay. Kumno ban kren kano bahaya ki kantin kanang baki kana kin yo sngew yakasol ban penbod kumba unong hikay kuno bat kren. Albert Bandura also talks about vicarious learning in language development, as quoted by Mac Leon 2011. He says, language can also be acquired through vicarious learning. Vicarious learning means learning from indirect source such as hearing or observation. Vicarious learning also means reward and punishment given to a child. It also means watching someone being reinforced for good behavior. It also means it's a function of observing, retaining and replicating the behavior of others. Ka vicarious learning hakajingnang yakaktin kumba ubandura ulaong nakikentin jong umatlian arajar katway ubatay ba kajingnang yakaktin kalaban longru na ka vicarious learning. Kabamut na kaba shuyak sngew ni pen ya kiway bam na ka jingpule ya ka subject. Kalongru na ka jingyo yaro ni ka jingpen shitam ban kren ya ka. Kabapanlong ya unong kren ban kren ba ya ka. Kala banlongru da ka ba shupet ya kiway baki yo yaro haba ki kren ki kenno nila ba ban kren ya kaktin. Kadai karukom treikam ka jingpet benya ka jingla ban ya ki kentin ban penbod ya ka ha karukom le ni kren ki weiru.